Ika nga, sabi nila, mahirap talagang iwasan ang nakaraan. Pero, paano kapag dumating ulit ang pagkakataon na muli kayong ipagtatagpo ni tadhana? Handa ka na bang harapin to? Sa paglapit mo sa kanya, unti-unti mo nararamdaman na tila bumabagal ang takbo ng mundo mo. Habang tumatagal, unting-unting bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo habang naaalala ang mga matatamis yung nakaraan na parang kahapon lamang. Pero, ano nga ba talagang gagawin mo pag nagkita kayo muli?
Kamusta na?
Ito, na-miss ka.
It's beautiful time.
Yan ang ginagawa mo?
Ay, wala to. Hindi ako naiyak, pre.
May pa tayo.
Oo, may vlog ko tayo, bakit?
Tara na, shoot na tayo. Iyak ka ng iyak.
Tara na nga.
What is up guys? Mike here and welcome nga pala ulit sa aking YouTube channel!
Ang galing mo pala dyan Hindi ko alam
Taray ng intro, no?
Baka ngayon tuluyan kita.
Today guys, wala nang pakunda-kundangan pa. We're gonna be reviewing one of the latest AIOT products na nirelease ni REALME recently. And that is the REALME Buds Air Pro. Parang walang kalatoy na to yung pasok. Baka pwede lagyan ng konting edit. Sino ba editor ko? Ay, pasensya na. Ako rin pala editor ko. Hindi pala ako mayaman. Ulitin ko And that is the REALME Buds Air Pro! So here it is guys, the REALME Buds Air Pro. The REALME Buds Air Pro is one of the latest AIOT products that was released by REALME, and it greatly stands out for its active noise cancellation that surprised me for its price range. But more on the details later on. Let's first check out what other accessories are inside the box. Upon opening the box, you will see the encryption that was quoted by Jose Levi, saying that sometimes we long for the silent world in order to hear the truth. A very enticing quote indeed. Upon checking the small box, you can see the REALME Buds Air Pro user guide. Before going to the Buds Air Pro itself, let's first check out this small compartment saying Noise Off, Gaming On, that pertains to the Buds Air Pro's active noise cancellation and gaming mode capabilities. And upon opening the box, you can see the extra ear tips that was given just in case. And lastly, you have that beautiful yellow USB to Type-C cable that supports quick charging. Now let's talk about the design. The REALME Buds Air Pro has a polished finish that comes in colors white and black. The Buds Air Pro resembles the Bud Q's pebble-like design that was designed by Jose Levi. Upon opening, you can see both of the buds that resembles to the body of the Buds Q and the tail of the Buds Air. But what's so special about these buds? The REALME Buds Air Pro is loaded with an active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels, a transparency mode that lets you hear the outside noise without even taking off your buds, a smart wear detection that automatically pauses and plays the sound or video when you're taking off the buds or putting it back on. And yes, the REALME Buds Air Pro comes with an intelligent touch sensors that lets you play, pause, fast forward, and even answer or reject calls just by tapping the sensors. The Buds Air Pro is also compatible with Google Fast Pair, a 10mm bass booster that is perfect for entertainment purposes, and a 94ms super low latency when it comes to its gaming mode. A dual mic that activates noise cancellation when in calls, and lastly, what I've told you earlier, that the Buds Air Pro comes with a quick charging that lets you charge for 10 minutes and grants you with a 3 hours playback time. Now let's go over on how to use the REALME Buds Air Pro. Just open the Bluetooth and download the latest REALME Link app for better options. And now, add the device, go to the REALME Buds Air Pro, and just follow the simple instructions. After connecting, you can see other options using the REALME Link app, and you can choose whether what mode do you want to choose. It's either the noise cancellation, the general mode, and the transparency mode. You can also activate the game mode and other options for perfect entertainment experience. And now we move on how to use the REALME Buds Air Pro. It's very easy actually. Just hold the touch sensors for 2 seconds until you hear this
noise cancelling,
and tap once to answer the call. Tap twice for you to play or pause the music or reject the call. and tap 3 times to skip to the next song. And lastly, if you want to enter the gaming mode, just hold both of the buds for 2 seconds and wait for a sound of a car engine starting for you to enter the gaming mode. And there you have it guys, the Realme Buds Air Pro. A truly innovative earbuds that is built as your perfect digital companion. My final thoughts and impressions about this product are, magsimula muna tayo sa design. The design itself is very nice with it. Meron siyang white polished na finish. It's very good when it comes to the design. And the buds itself are ergonomically designed to fit your ears. Not unless nga lang kung maliit yung tenga mo, medyo malaki kasi ng konti yung inner aspect ng buds. Kaya sometimes hindi kasya, or for example, nagkasya man, sometimes it causes pain. Nakakaramdam ka ng konting pain habang tumatagal. Kaya time to time kailangan mo rin i-remove. And katulad ng sinabi sa release ni Realme, hango ito sa design din ni Jose Levi, which is the one who designed the Realme Buds Q. And next natin is yung kanyang special functions. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, sobrang maganda yung quality ng product na ito, ng earbuds na ito, mas lalo yung active noise cancellation niya. So, bali meron siyang 3 types ng function, which is yung general, transparent, pati yung noise cancellation. Bali yung general, from the word itself, general mode, yung regular lang na ano. And at the same time, pag pumunta ka ng transparency mode, pag naka-transparency mode ka kasi, hindi mo na kailangan tanggalin yung earphones mo para marinig mo yung makakausap mo. Bali, pag tinap mo siya, pag nag-transparency mode na siya, the buds lets you to hear the background noise kahit pa paano. Para ka to parang naririnig mo pa rin yung kausap mo. Pero pag once na pumatong ka ng noise cancellation niya, kapag tinap mo tapos nag-noise cancellation na, para sa akin yung feeling parang yung feeling talaga para sa akin is parang nagtaklob yung tenga ko. Parang may sarili kang mundo. Kasi talagang wala kang masyadong maririnig. Para sa kanya, parang wala ka nang marinig minsan. It can block noise up to 35 decibels. Kaya nga, we need to tune out the noise. Yung nga yung ni Buds Air Pro. And marami rin nagtatanong sa inyo kung waterproof ba to or hindi. Mayroon din siyang sariling standardization, which is an IPX4. Sweat resistant siya. So, during sports or kapag nagja-jogging ka, paano meron siyang resistant sa fluid. Pero hindi ko naman sinabing ilublob mo sa tubig para matry mo kung gumagana pa ba or hindi. And ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung gaming mode, which is meron sa lahat ng Realme Buds na na-experience ko lately, katulad ng Air, ng Buds Q. Yung Neo kasi hindi ko kasi na-try. So, alam ko may gano'n din dun eh. Feel ko meron ding gaming mode dun. So, pag sinabing gaming mode, dinidecrease niya yung latency by 94 ms. Kaya paano in total sync siya habang naglalaro ka. Hindi katulad ng earphones na iba na habang naglalaro ka is medyo may konting delay sa sound niya. Pero dito, wala kang magiging problema. And lastly, the dual mics is very good during calls. Nai-hear out naman ako ng mga kausap ko. Wala akong nagiging problema lately. So, that concludes our review. For me, it's very compatible with me right now. Dahil nga, since mahilig ako mag-senti, or for example, pagod ako, gusto ko na mag-relax, gagamit ko yung earbuds itself for the noise cancellation, tapos yung better quality nung sound na dinideliver niya with its 10mm bass booster. At the same time, meron siyang enhancer pa sa mismong Realme Link app ng bass. So, magandang quality talaga siya. For a price of 4,990, talagang promise ko sa inyo, hindi kayo magsisisi kapag binili nyo to. Dahil ito parang worth to ng around 10,000 to 11,000 kung isa-summarize mo yung quality ng product eh. Pero, ano ba? Ginawa ni Realme is pinaganda, pinamura. Pasok na pasok sa budget mo for this Christmas. So, that concludes our review and impressions. Sana guys, magustuhan nyo and see you on the next video.